Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. Today we're going to be talking about, as you can see, Lucid Motors, and we're going to be going over why Lucid Motors is such a great stock, and just in general going over the stock as a whole. Lucid Motors began in 2008. They began with a mission to create the best battery they could possibly create. They were at the center of EV, trying to innovate and create the best car that we could ever see. And they have been doing this for many years now. And as we can see, Lucid Motors is moving on quite nicely and achieving things no one ever thought they could. Lucid Motors is currently innovating any second they get. However, their stock is sitting at about $24.46, very volatile. Lucid Motors, the company we would all dream to have started. Okay, Lucid Motors has amazing manufacturing. As you can see here, the car is in great condition. It's moving along perfectly, and the company plans to have this car manufacturing and begin shipping by the summer. This is very important for us to note, as many people's argument against Lucid Motors is the fact that they have not started manufacturing, that they do not have deliveries or anything really in place. However, this is far from true, as they have many pre-orders that they are ready to fill, amounting to a revenue of just above $700 million. And so this is honestly pretty remarkable, seeming as the company has yet to start production or yet to deliver any cars. So I feel like the market truly does have this stock undervalued. Lucid does have a secret that many people do not know nor understand. They've been around for a long time. They've been working on the technology. They've been working on all sorts of things before anyone has really thought about the stock. A lot of people are talking about CCIV now and about buying the shares. However, they're not looking back at the company. They're not looking back at everything that it has done in the past. Just like they don't know that the company has been building batteries and has been creating some of the best technology that there is in the EV space in general. And so when we really take a deep dive into the company, not only looking at this gorgeous car that we see in front of us, but we look at the company as a whole, who's involved and how they're shaping the company, we can truly see that this is a company that will continue to grow and will continue to expand and will provide a real threat towards Tesla and other EV manufacturers such as GM, Volkswagen, etc. However, I do believe that Lucid will expand much faster than many anticipate, and we will take market share exceedingly quickly as they're building gorgeous cars and as they get better partnerships in place. Hint, hint, Apple. Of course, that's speculative and a rumor. However, it is very possible that Apple partners up with Lucid. Doesn't this look like a Apple type car? It looks exactly like an Apple type car. That's basically what it is. The CEO recently did a test drive. Of course, not super recent, however, it was in the past month. And we could see that Lucid clearly has a gorgeous car that has great performance that will honestly shape the future and shape the future of EVs in general. The interior is gorgeous with a bunch of panels, and the wheel and the seats, everything just looks very, very nice. Car looks like it's driving very smoothly, and we get a real feel to the luxury that this brand is trying to convey with this car. And as they move forward into Project Gravity, we can see that they're truly going to provide a great car, which I'll show here. As we can see here, Lucid's gorgeous SUV has many people just freaking out as the car looks amazing. It seems like it's going to provide great value to the EV space. It was recently spotted, and we'll see what happens. No one unveils the car better than Rawlinson. Let me show you the unveil right now.
So the future that I would like to share with you. So I'd like to introduce Project Gravity.
As we can see from the CEO speaking there and unveiling the Project Gravity SUV, we can clearly see that the CEO and the company as a whole are looking towards the future, and they already started doing this by unveiling Project Gravity and by letting us know the near term of when their manufacturing will begin and when they expect to be delivering vehicles. This gives us as investors a great insight on the company, and it allows us to see that we can truly trust this company. Although many people were upset about the PIPE investment and all the things that happened previously with the stock, we all do need to understand that us as investors are investing so that this company can grow, and they need cash to do so. Now that they have this PIPE investment and all these things happen, they have billions in cash, and they won't have to worry about money for a long while. This is great for us as the company will be able to ever expand. We will see what happens with Lucid Motors, and the future is yet to come. However, we can predict that they will be able to dominate the EV market right alongside Tesla and take a great market share. Alongside Tesla, they will be competing for a very big piece of the pie that I feel like a lot of people are undervaluing and don't expect to happen. Thank you guys. I hope you did enjoy this episode of Lucid Motors, and I hope you found some true value from this. Thank you. Leave a like if you did enjoy this video, and subscribe if you want more content about Lucid, about the stock market, and more. Thanks guys, and this was Kev's Mindset.